Hey, fourth graders, today we are going to be doing another poem. I know we've been doing like about a poem a week. This one is called a cinquain, okay? So we are going to talk about how to write it. They're short, just like the haiku was. But first, we're going to talk about getting started because you're going to need a topic for your poem. That is, you need to choose something to write your poem about. So here's some ideas. I could write about my favorite thing. Maybe my favorite thing is soccer. There's my topic. I could also write about something that I don't like. Okay? I could also write about something that I see as I look around the room. I could write about my family. I could also write about something that's happened to me. Okay? And so in my example for you today, we're going to be using the example of ice cream. Okay? It says, since I like ice cream, I think I'm going to write a poem about it. This is convenient since the words ice cream have 2 syllables. So we're going to talk about that on my next slide that I put up. Is we're going to be counting the syllables again, just like we did with the haiku. Okay? So let's go to our next slide. All right, we're going to talk about how many syllables that I need to have for each line of my poem. Up here I have my title, okay? And on my first line of my poem, I'm going to have 2 syllables. So right here, ice cream. You can use your fingers to count them. My next line is going to be 4. My next line is going to be 6. My next line is going to be 8. And my last one is back to 2. So that's the pattern for the cinquain. Okay, 2, then 4, then 6. Notice we're counting by 2s, and then we go back to 2. All right, you guys got good at counting the syllables when we did the haiku. Do you remember that the haiku was 5, 7, 5 for those, wasn't it? So ice cream. So I have that one done. And then for my 4-syllable one, I say cold and yum me. So that's 4. For 6, I say, I love its sweet richness. Remember, I could be writing anything about ice cream as long as I have the correct amount of syllables, guys. And remember, your poem might not be about ice cream. It might be about Minecraft. I'm not even sure. You'll pick something fun. And then the 8 line is, as it finds its way into my, and the last one, tummy. So that's 2. All right. So you might notice that my poem kind of tells a story. There's an action in it because we're eating the ice cream and swallowing it. Okay. Your poem does not have to tell a story. It also does not have to rhyme. Okay. It does have to have the correct amount of syllables. So I want you to put your title at the top. If you have time and you want to do 2 cinquains instead of just 1, that would be awesome too. Okay? You could write about school. You could write about distance learning. You got a ton of ideas, guys. Okay? So have fun, and it would be awesome as when you finish your poem and you have it written on your paper neatly that you do a few decorations or designs around the outside. Okay? Maybe whatever your poem's about, right? Just a few doodles around your poem. Okay? Have fun, guys.